Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. I'm so happy that you're here with me today, and please don't forget to subscribe. Today we're gonna do a simple thing. Someone like from our channel here, he asked if we can do a tutorial on how to connect or send an email from Gmail but using your company email. Maybe your company is called azaniatutorials.com. So then you're gonna say maybe info@azaniatutorials.com. You want the emails to come into your Gmail and also to send them. After when you're sending them, then they're gonna show like you're doing what? You're sending them from your company email, but you use the Gmail. Anyway, that's good because you bypass the Outlook stress of creating Outlook, installing Outlook and all those things. So now we're gonna start the tutorial whereby we expect that you have a Gmail. We're doing this on Gmail. Open your Gmail and click on this icon which is for settings, then click on settings, and after settings you're gonna click on field accounts. There you're gonna say send email as, then you add that email you want to add. Maybe you're gonna say name, we're gonna say, you can put like maybe Azania tutorials, and then this and the email we're gonna say info at wanna say kingmusa .co.za. then we're gonna say next. Yes, after this then it's gonna ask you to put in what, your password. Let me try the password. Wanna see if the password is right, if I didn't forget it. It's better I leave everything the way it is. And it says save, authentication failed, because no, username should be also info at, don't forget the username should be info at .co.za. so maybe it's gonna be if the authentication fails again, so I'm gonna go and check my password. It has failed again. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna go quickly and check where I put some of my stuff. I wanna see if I can get the email or I can create a new email. Let me see. For the sample, I'm gonna go create a new email. If I did forget the sample, the password, I'm gonna say, I wanna see if I get that right. I'm gonna go create an email, another email, guys. Please be patient with me. When I go, because I lost my password, I think I can create another email. It's gonna be a challenge somehow, but I'm gonna do that as soon as possible. And I'm trying to struggle just to create an email, but don't know. Check manage. I have to get in here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get one email. Let me see. Say oh. Okay. I think I got one email here. I don't need to create another email. We go and do the same thing here. Send your email address as. So this is the thing we're gonna have. We're gonna send as who? As Azania. Then we can say we're gonna get the email, the password. We're gonna get the password and also the email. We come and say email address gonna be this, and we send next, and the pass. Remember, the username should be the same as the email, and then you have to put in the password here. Put in here, then we say okay. Authentication failed. Why is it failing? There's something which is not right here. Username, surname, whatever. There's a SMTP server. I think this is wrong. That could be wrong. I'm gonna go see my settings in the emails, and I see what's going on there. You know, sometimes your email they give you some settings on how to. Oh, I think I should use the SSL. Let me try that. Say add account. Could not reach server, please double click server and port number. Okay. I can see the info. I'm gonna change something here. This time it doesn't give you the authentication what problem. It tells it could not reach the server. So I'm gonna change this, and also the port. I'm gonna go to my settings. Each and every whenever where you set up your emails, they will give you more information on how to do what to do your emails. They're gonna give you the server, which server you're gonna use. But sometimes I used to use this SMTP to be mail. Let me see, mail dot the email I have, this email. Then let me try. Could not reach. Okay, let me see this. You can play with the port and see. Let's see. Oh no, I didn't get the password right. So I should get the password right. Okay. Let's see. What's gonna go on. Could not double click the server and the port number. Double check the port number and the server. So that's where we stuck, but we're in the process of getting everything right. I wanna see check connection devices and whatever. Okay, I'm gonna get all that information. I'm gonna get that information. Outgoing server, the incoming server, say port 26. Let me see, port 25. Let me see that, and map SMTP authentication. Set to port 26. Here I see port 26, and do we have 110? We don't have that. And we can see mail. This server, this is what I get. I usually get this. This is the thing we might use. SMTP server. Let's see if that server is gonna work. And okay, that's non-SSL. And the SSL one, let me see, TLC SSL. Okay, I'm up. Oh, the port is here. This is the port we have to use. 100% sure. SMTP 465, that's the port, and the SMTP should be this, what I get here from my company, which where I'm buying my domain. Okay, then let's see SSL. We're gonna see recommended, we're gonna use SSL. Then we see yes guys, that's good. Okay, we save that, and it's gonna send us a verification code. Remember that email, maybe you should save it somewhere. I mean, in maybe you go to your website where you set emails and stuff. It gives you on your webmail. It's gonna give you somewhere where you're gonna get that. Sometimes it can ask for this, but sometimes if you don't verify, also it creates it. But in most cases, if it doesn't, it's gonna send you that verification code in the same email, but maybe on your Outlook, maybe on your where you set up the email. Okay, where you access that email all the time. So I've got it here, and I'm gonna put it in that code. Yes, the code is here. I've got the code with me. Guys, don't forget the port number is 465, and the SMTP, I use my email, but it depends my website, mail.my website. You can rewind the video and see. So I'm gonna verify this, and it said confirm the code is incorrect. I wonder why it's saying it's incorrect. I say okay, please click this link below to confirm the request. Okay, it tells us to click the code somewhere. Okay, I've confirmed this side, and I'm gonna put in the email the code again. It's gonna be 30. Then if it doesn't, then it should work now. It said, then I'm gonna resend. Oh, I send it to another email, and I'm setting another email. Yo damn guys, I'm sorry. But anyway, that was the thing. Let's close here. We see what happened, and if it did not work, let me see. Okay, and I can get those emails somewhere. It should work. I send it in a different email. I got it in a different email. So let me check. It gave me ime inside another email, which I was setting. Remember, I first used info, but now I used Aubrey. So now it sent me on the info. So I'm trying to put this, then it doesn't work. Let me go to my webmail, then I check one of the emails, and I see if I received that info. That's a very easy thing to do, guys. It's not stressful, but you're gonna save yourself, like, some people have apps which they set up on their phones. So when you receive those company emails, they get full. It gets full, so the phone gets full and doesn't operate the way it has to operate. But if you set it on Gmail, it becomes a little bit easier for you to do that configuration, calendar and stuff. Okay, I believe, let me close here. It should have maybe created itself here, and if it's not there, then I'm gonna do a simple process, then I show you. Let me see, mails and stuff. Let me see. Okay guys, that's not stressful to me. I'm supposed to find it here. Because of the verification email, it didn't work that way, but that's not a problem to us. I'm gonna go follow the process, then I create using the new one. You remember that another one which we said accounts and import. So it simply means it's here. You can see it's here, but what it say, it wanted to verify. It say unverified. Why? So because I haven't got the code, but you see we created it already, but I want you to see when it's working. I wonder if I can quickly go into those emails and get it. I didn't set that one. I'm gonna see if I can get it quickly and verify it, but we finished to do that. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna quickly go and create another one. which won't take that much long time. Let me see. Let's see, email text delivery configure. Okay, no, that's not the thing I'm looking for. Okay guys, let me see, free email storage, send document. Okay, yeah, we don't want to waste a lot of time here. It wants me to verify, which I can't do now, but on the second one I can verify. So let me delete this. Let me see if it did come here. Sometimes it does come even if you didn't verify all emails. I can't see it, but anyway guys, let me save your time and go back and love your comment. Okay, let me go back and go to settings and do create another, just something simple. I'm gonna abandon this and delete it. Okay, then I'm gonna create a new one, which is gonna be info Azania. It's gonna be info Azania, and we're gonna put in that info at yeah, we're gonna use this one this time. We said next, then we use this time, then we use mail. Okay, I'm gonna use mail.mywebsite. Then this is gonna be like this. Then the password, I remember it was something else also. Let's get that work. We're gonna use this password and we say okay, SSL is recommended. We say add. If everything goes well, yes, everything went well this time guys. Thanks for that, being patient with me. So now I'm gonna get that verification code from Google, and I'm sure it's now this side. I got it now. No, your business one. No, I got a different email, not that. So I'm gonna get it. It's gonna be in soon. If it's not in, then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a new email. I'm gonna resend that verification code. Yes, I've sent it, and it's gonna come. I just have to wait a couple of minutes, then seconds, it should be in. So there's an old one which I got, so maybe I can use it. I can chance on that. So verify. No, it didn't work, so I'm gonna wait for the new one. The new one guys, and I get it. Once I get it, then our email is gonna be done. But I want to see you witnessing this, that it works. And sometimes when it comes, it can go to spam. Let me check my spam emails. I got 9 spam emails. Admin sent, whatever. No, I haven't got that yet. It can take time sometime. But let me see, let's wait. Okay, let's wait. It's taking some time guys, but we're gonna get it. We'll make it, it's gonna work. But in some instances you can find that the email is already there, but it's not yet here. Add another email that on this. Let me see. Said it was sent, but I'm not receiving it. Sometimes these systems are slow. Let me wait. I'm keeping on refreshing my system to see if I can get it. close, come back. So you see it's only showing with the verification, but the email is there already. Okay, new devices. Don't need this, don't need that. Only waiting for my verification code. See, let me try to resend the verification code. Go to settings and go here again, then you click on accounts, then you're gonna say verify, and if it doesn't come, then you're gonna say let's see if it's gonna come. Then we're going to resend. I did resend it, let me see. But anyway, those are the steps. Everything's done. I just want to show you that it's working, that's all. But if you find we've been following the steps and you have access to the email that side, I'm 100% sure that it's gonna be added on your thing, on your emails here. It's gonna be showing up here. That email, the email you created, is gonna be here, showing up here in here. I'm trying to be patient, but I think it's gonna. I'm gonna wait for a few seconds. If we don't receive it, it simply means we're gonna end the tutorial, which is also 100% perfect, that is working. But now the thing is that you only had to see how it works. But if you've been following, set it the way I've said it. So if you have access to, you must have access to that email somewhere else, like maybe on Outlook or on your webmail, where you're going to receive that, that verification code. Let me see if I can go to my webmail and see if it's there already. Okay, I've been checking in a different place. Let me see, manage emails. I'm trying to check emails this side. Yes, I got it, guys. It came this side on the webmail, and that's something I wanted to get. Okay, let me get it. I'm gonna go there and verify for you. It's simply gonna tell me verification. Okay, then verify. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in here, then I verify. Yes, it's verified. Yeah, guys, I'm sure that's what we wanted, that's what we needed. The email is verified. So now we would need to do a couple of things. Make this as default. It tells you to make this as default, or you can say reply from the same email to which the message was sent. Okay, always reply from this default email. So you can use this email. So for instance, we want to send an email here. If we want to send an email, it's gonna give you this drop down to ask you where do you want this email to come from, to be like it's showing. So you can select this, the one you created, and set to, then you say us@gmail.com. So now I'm sending the email to this, but it's gonna be from which you select which one do you want. So this one, the one we set for your company email, this the one you're gonna use. So I'm gonna say, hi, how are you? So then you send. Okay, then you send that email. If you send, then it's gonna be fine, but that you have some small settings you have to do somehow to see this email showing here in the, it's gonna also have its own place here whereby it's gonna show info@what.com or .co.za. But we've managed to create our email and put it in Gmail, so you can set it as default if you want. You can also edit if you want to edit. You can also add another email or reply from the same email which the message came from. So this can be like this, understand? You can put it here or put it there, whatever you want to put, but that's the way to set up your email, company email, in the Gmail. So simple. Select here if you want to send, and also if you receive an email from that to that email, then it's gonna show you that you got that. So guys, thanks for watching. That's the end of our tutorial, and see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe.